Hey Kinky Nation! This week on our channel it is Dramatic Readings Week and I have chosen the lovely concerto painted by none other than Kesha, called Blah Blah Blah. Alright, here we go! Blah 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 blah, coming out of your mouth with your blah blah blah. Zip your lips like a padlock. Side note, padlocks don't zip, Kesha. Okay, on with the show. And meet me in the back with the jack, if I had a bottle of jack, and the jukebox. I don't care where you live at. Just turn around, boy. Let me hit that. Don't be a little bitch with your chit-chat. Just show me where your dick is at. Music is up. Listen, hot stuff. I'm in love with this song. So just hush. Baby, shut up. Heard enough. Stop talking that blah blah blah. Think you'll be getting this? Nah. Not in the back of my car. If you keep talking that blah 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 blah. Come on, boy, get my rocks off. I don't know what those rocks are. Come put a little love in my glove box. Want to dance without pants on, so meet me in the back with the jack and the jukebox. So just cut to the chase, kid, 'cause I know you don't care what my middle name is. I want to be naked, and you're wasted. Music's up. Listen, hot stuff. I'm in love with this song. So just hush. Baby, shut up. Heard enough. Stop talking that blah, blah, blah. Think you'll be getting this? Nah. Not in the back of my car. If you keep talking that blah, 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 blah. And then there's a bunch of stupid stuff by 303, and I don't care about them because they're stupid. So here's a cat while I go wait. Stop talking that blah blah blah. Think you'll be getting this? Nah. Not in the back of my car. If you keep talking that blah 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 blah. And there you have it. I told you it was a beautiful song. Now, you should all go listen to it 1,000,000 times. Okay. That's it for this week. For myself, your Thursday kinky person? Yes. Also, Amanda, we all take these videos after we shower, or at least we used to. You get hipster points for taking it while you're showering. That was just awesome. Also, can I have birthday when I turn, please? Oh, okay. Bye.